Baby.
I become Myanmar already.
Really, I try ready from you.
Hello guys, meron naman akong may binigay yung kapitbahay. Yung iba dito, wait lang at sarado natin yung pintuan. Nagbabang bang bang. This girl is sakit. Sick.
Apa niyang ka? There's no wisdom.
Wisdom teeth. Painful. So guys, hindi siya makakain. Cannot makan. Cannot eat. Must eat porridge. So, eto nga guys. Meron akong ipapakita sa inyo na galing sa kapitbahay at saka doon sa sister ko. Guava. Dali, guava. From where? The guava? From Dai or from where? Orange! So, bigay ito ng kapitbahay, guys. Neighbor gave. Then, this one, chocolate. Chocolate, Julie. Chocolate.
Oh, yes. The time I did that before, I buy. Then
Chocolate,
no, I think mango. Oh, what?
Oh, this one. This one is from my sister last night. She say cannot makan. I cannot drink because stomach pain after she. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Wait lang, what is this Oh, our favorite. What's this? What's this Pizza already. Sauce. I don't know what sauce. So, ayan guys. Video ko lang for memories. Ayan. Ay, chicken feet. May chicken feet. Lang guys. Chicken feet. Adobo. Charan! Ayan o. Chicken feet, adobo, fruits. This one, dati pa to. Chicken feet. And then this one, drinks. So, yan guys, yung binigay ng kapitbahay and then ng kapatid ko. So, yun lang guys. Share ko lang. Bye!